Hello, in front of me I've got VANTRUE Nexus 5. In this video I'll show you how to attach it to front windshield. In the beginning, let's assemble the dashcam. Firstly this, now the holder with glued sticker. Remove this sticker, make sure that your windshield is clean and stick this to your windshield. Firstly, remove this part, stick it, then remove this part, and now connect your dashcam to this sticker, and it's done. In the end, you can adjust the position. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.